Okay, because we were playing, we're doing pretty well on this machine. We're just gonna stay here for a little bit longer. We have a little bit more time to kill. So we're gonna play this down to, we'll play this down to 150. Hopefully we can get another bonus. That would be lovely. Oh, that got me excited. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay. Let's see. Okay, come on. Come on. Okay. We need something to happen here. Okay. Come on. What? Okay. I'm feeling like I'm gonna get another bonus, but wow, we just went through 40 bucks pretty quickly here, and we've got no sign of a bonus. So what's going on here? Okay, I didn't even do that. A tease. Okay, we're getting up at 150. No ifs, ands, or buts about it, y'all. Okay. I definitely should have gone up when I had the chance, but you know what? That's gambling for you. So last two spins. Last spin. Oh, one more spin. We got it. On our last spin. I said I was getting up at 150 and we got it on our last spin.
This is the moment we've been waiting for. It's time to give the wheel a spin.
All right, give us something really good. Come on. Oh, 20 times 3 would have been great. But we'll take it. Hopefully this will get us over our 200. Come on. Okay, come on. We need those Wheel of Fortune things to come out. That's really what we need. Those. Like a full screen like last time. Across the board with like $100. Come on, don't waste our spins. Don't do that. Come on. No, we need the Wheel of Fortune things to come down. Oh, right there, right there. Well, no, we need them all the way across. That's what we need. Okay, we only have a few more games. Come on. Uh-oh. Oh, yeah, right there.
One more time.
51.20. Okay.
Now let's see exactly what you've won.
71.60. Thank you. All right.
Hey,
Okay, so now we're going to play this down to 200. Again. Come on. I feel like this machine has one more bonus in it. Truth be told, I can just feel it. Come on. Give me a full screen of Vanna White. Oh, one more. Oh. We need them to line up. Come on. Okay. Last couple spins. This time for real. Okay. Last couple. Come on. Oh, got a lucky chance spin. Oh, nice. Got free spins again. We'll take it. Let's get the rest of our mini die. Come on.
It's great to be here. Let's get started by spinning the big wheel.
Let's go. Okay, let's get the 15 by 5 or like the 20 by 5 or something. Mm, 10 free spins by 5. Okay. That has potential. This is our third free spins on this machine. I'm glad I switched from that one to this one. Come on. It'll do it. We need a full screen of those. Come on. Yes.
One more time.
$48. Yes, let's go. Okay, we still have 7 spins. We're gonna get all of our money back. That's what we're gonna do. Come on. Come on. No, we need the ×5 symbol. There we go. No, don't waste our spins. Come on. Yes, right there. $24. Okay. 2 more spins. Come on. We need the ×5.
Here's a look at your
75.60. Let's go. Okay, we're recuperating, guys. We are recuperating, so we are now down only 25 bucks. Now what we're gonna do is we are gonna play this. We're gonna play this to 250. Let's see if we can get another bonus. If not, let's see. Oh, come on. That many coins? Come on, give us a crazy line hit. Or the jackpot spin. Come on. I can tell this machine wants to hit. I can tell it's got another bonus in it for sure. I'm only playing it to 250 though. Oh, come on, do it. I think after this I'm gonna go to World Market. Oh, come on. Okay, 250. We're playing to 250. Unless we get the jackpot spins, that would be very nice. Oh, we got it. We got 10 bucks. We'll take that. We'll take that. Some more ammo. Thank you. Come on. I really want to get the jackpot spins. That's one of my favorites. Can we get it to happen? Again, we're playing this to 250. Pretty good. We made almost all of our money back. Oh, come on, do it. Yes, we got it. Nice. Look at that. Look at that. This machine's hot. This machine is hot. Why would you get up? You know what I mean? Why would you get up when it's hitting like this? Obviously, we're going to set our stopping limit. Now I think we're going to set the stopping limit to 275. Then at that point, we'll only be down a little bit. We'll only be down 25 bucks for this whole 3-hour session. Come on, do the jackpot spins. You know you want to. Oh, I thought I was going to do it. I think it's teasing me up there. Can we get the free games again? Oh, I went under 275. Okay, we're going to just do the 260. Come on. Yeah. Okay, we got that. Alright. Come on, give us one more feature before we go. Oh, jackpot spins. Just do it. Okay. Yeah, let's go. I mean, we're getting line hits and we're getting bonuses, so yeah, this machine, it does not want us to get up. We have to though, so nice. Heck yeah, are you serious? What? Oh wow. Okay, we're getting that. We're getting that now. Wow. Holy, wow, okay, whoa. So now we're up $20 profit. Do we want to get up right now? Okay. I don't know. I'm gonna say no, because, We just, wow, okay. That's crazy. Come on, do it. Okay. Now for real. Oh my gosh, you tease. Okay. We're playing this to 300 and then we're walking. No questions asked. No questions asked. Do not. Oh my gosh, I thought it was going to give me the free spins again. I'm like, do it. Do not do it. Yes. Okay. Last 2 spins, y'all. Oh, unless it wants to give us some coin right here. Okay. Last. We got all of the money back. That is what I'm talking about. Thank you, Wheel of Fortune. You came in for the Hail Mary. You came in for the Hail Mary. Got us all of our money back. So now we're just walking, breaking even. Let's go.